STN Atlas 40M Geamar Duty Alarm System Panel is a marine-grade alarm monitoring panel designed for vessel duty alarm and control applications. It helps operators monitor important system alerts, warnings, and fault conditions from one central panel. Built for shipboard environments, this panel is suitable for marine automation, navigation support, engine room monitoring, and safety alarm systems. The DAS-40M panel offers reliable performance for continuous operation and helps improve response time during critical alarm situations. It is commonly used in marine control rooms, bridge systems, and vessel monitoring setups where dependable alarm indication is required.